So you think all tech jobs look like this? Think again. Ditch the desk and get ready to roll on a high-tech career as a certified international truck or IC bus technician. We caught up with some of our employees, dealers, and technicians during our annual Top Team Technician competition to learn what the future holds for this high-tech career. Technicians are critical to our dealers, getting commercial trucks back on the road and children to and from school safely.
Top Team is about recognizing our technicians, celebrating all the things they do, why we love our technicians, and we need them.
We have a very skilled and accomplished set of technicians. We know and believe the technicians are the heartbeat of the dealership.
Become a certified technician in less time than a college degree and without the big student loans.
It's a good career where you don't need to put a lot of money into training up front. So young people don't need to get deeply into debt.
Then start at a dealership with great pay and a different experience every day.
Be doing one thing in the shop, and then you could be out on the road the next day. It's a great industry to be in. It's great.
Technicians can enjoy stable careers with many paths forward and a healthy work-life balance.
I've worked at this company for 36 years, and it's always been stable for me. I've supported my family, and that's a good plus. You don't get that with every type of job.
We are committed to reducing our environmental footprint and supporting meaningful change in our communities. And our vehicles are packed with technology. That's where you come in. As we move quickly to alternative powertrains, our independent dealerships across North America are looking for highly skilled technicians to diagnose and fix issues every day.
Technology is very important in everything you do. Everything is constantly changing, especially with the advent of the electric buses. It's all electronic, it's all based off technology.
Through our Tech Empowerment Initiative, we help train and place new technicians in dealerships. No experience is needed. If you're a high school graduate with little to no knowledge of truck or bus repair, Uptime Academy provides training with paid experience at a dealership. Small class sizes, personalized instruction, and teamwork help you build your confidence, and you'll graduate as a master certified technician in less time than a typical associate's degree.
We've been very involved since the beginning with Uptime Academy. We have put 10 students through the Uptime program, and it's a great investment for us to invest in them, and they stay with us.
If you're in a high school diesel or automotive program, check out our Steering Ahead internship. We'll put you on the fast track to becoming a professional technician. You'll have online training, plus you'll get paid for the hours you work while gaining hands-on experience. You'll also be able to shadow different service employees to learn all the ins and outs on the service floor, and you can work around your high school schedule. After only a few months, you'll have a great chance to be hired as a professional truck or bus technician.
We work very hard to develop our techs. We partner with schools. We have internship programs. If you apply yourself and you work hard, it's pretty much wide open.
Launching your technician career is only the beginning of opportunities for lifelong training, recognition, and professional growth in this dynamic field.
We really promote technician engagement as well as continuing education once they come on board with us. And we're also incentivizing them to promote their salary.
Each month we have the Diamond Club, which recognizes our top performing technicians with sold hours. It definitely helps our retention with making them feel valued and giving them that recognition when they perform well.
Some technicians will move up into management, but there's tons of other opportunities as well with service advising or roles like mine being internal technical support, training managers. There's lots of different avenues you can pursue, so you just got to find the thing that suits what you're passionate about and chase it.
It's evolving. It's never going to stay the same, and that's why you need to come and work for us.
Thank you to all of the international truck and IC bus technicians at dealerships across North America. You are the heartbeat of our dealerships.